Eunice, you made a statement to the effect that the governor of Kericho is the one sponsoring violence at Sunday. And you are calling for my arrest. Let me tell Eunice Wamalwa, he is an idoler, number one. Yes. Wamalwa is not an MCA, he's not an MB, he's not a senator, he's not a governor, he's not even a governor, he's not even a village elder. So, I'm telling the Asimio characters who are very idle, concentrate on bombers, concentrate on bipartisan talks. Let those who are elected to serve people. I called on yesterday, and I say Kericho and Kisumu are neighboring counties. Our people have coexisted for a decade. We love our brothers, the Luos. We are all Nilos. And that is why I say let there be peace at Sunday. I say let there be peace between us and our brothers in the lowland. Because we have been living in Sondo for a decade. And death and violence cannot help anyone, but it will frustrate already frustrated families. So when I hear people issuing statements of shifting blames, I strongly condemn them. Because we have been at the forefront advocating for peace at Sondo. It is them who are actually organizing violence. I single out today the deputy governor of Kisumu County, who I know he has been arming militias from lowland. He has been arming them with pistols, he's been arming them with petrol bombs. And that is why they bombed Kericho Revenue Office 2 days ago. They are doing this so that they make the Kalenjin people look bad. I want to tell my people, don't retaliate.
By the time you're drafting a statement as a governor, wewe umechaguliwa katika Kenya, umeshika Biblia, you are saying you are a leader in Kenya, na unaanza bado unazungumza ile lugha ya kusema watu wetu na watu wenu. Hiyo ni lugha ya ujinga that we don't even expect from leaders. Mimi kwa kweli ni senator wa Kericho, but I am a leader in this republic. I must be concerned when a Luo is killed. I must be concerned when a Kipsigis is killed. Hiyo siasa ya kupoliticize maneno ya huko, hiyo ni mambo ya upuzi kabisa. A whole leader ati anaandika statement ya kusema watu wetu, watu wenu, Kalenjin warriors. Shame on you kabisa. So tukubali